Peel your eyes to the chart right here. This blue dot, do you see that? We do not want that blue dot. This is horrific. This could change everything. Buckle up. It's about to get really serious. However, there might be some hidden good news in the charts. Welcome if you are new. My name is Steve. I'm going to help you have less stress and more success by only looking at the facts in the charts. We're jumping straight in. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. This blue dot right here could be the turning point in Bitcoin, but not in a good way. Now, you can see what happened previously when we started printing these darker colors. Let me break it down in a simple way. This is the 200-week moving average heat map. When we have these lighter colors up here, that's when you want to think about selling. When we have the darker colors down here, that's when you want to think about buying. But here's where it gets interesting. When we went from the light colors and started moving towards the darker colors, that's when price action continued going down and we were in a long extended bear market. You don't want that, do you? Well, that's what happened back here in 2014. Also, when you fast forward to 2017, we started printing these lighter colors, thinking about selling, and then we started moving down in price and started printing these darker colors. And again, we continued printing these darker colors and continued having a horrific time for a long extended period of time. Now, I did mention there is some good news here. So what is this line down here at the bottom? That's the 200-week moving average. Generally speaking, we came down to touch this level multiple times throughout Bitcoin's 10-year history. We even did it way back here in 2012. And you may say, well, Steve, okay, I understand we're starting to print these darker colors, but can we just bounce out of it? Can we, over the next few weeks, just absolutely bounce out of it? Yeah, we can. Have we done it before? No. And in this channel, we just speak about the facts, and nobody can argue that when we had these lighter colors and started printing these darker colors, it was at least 1.5 years of turmoil. Nobody can argue that because that's just a fact in the chart. And you may say, well, how about these colors? These are the blue colors. Well, that's coming from the purple. Purple is at the bottom of the chart. We're talking about when we were in these lighter colors, these lighter color spectrums, we were in these green and yellows just recently. And this could be the start of something. But again, if you watch our channel, then you already understand the facts in the charts with the death cross. So we had the death cross 1 month ago. Why was that important? Well, for years and years and years, we used the same metrics to identify bull market, bear market. There's two metrics that we've always used in any video that you watch of ours. Price action with the 200-day moving average and death cross. Those are the two things that have to be true to be in a bear market, meaning price action has to be below the 200-day, which happened about 2 months ago, and we have to have a death cross. When both of those are true, we officially enter a bear market with our standards, and we've done that 1 month ago. If you watch our channel, 2 months ago, over 2 months ago, we entered our quicksand. So we already know it hasn't been good. This didn't just start. However, I did mention there is some good news, and we're going to need to get to that. Could we expect price to continue down to the 200-week moving average? Yeah, it would be unrealistic of us to say that's out of the question, because every time that we went from light colors to dark colors, we came down to the 200-week moving average. That's also just a fact. It's not our opinion. We're not hoping it happens or praying, whatever. This is just a black and white fact in the chart. Whenever we went from light colors to the dark colors, we always came down to the 200-week moving average, okay? We did it also back here in 2012. We did it again in 2019, and we did it again in 2020, okay? So where is the 200-week moving average right now? As we speak, it's currently at 13,812. Keep in mind, it is rising week after week after week. That number is also quite interesting because it coincides with a video we made about the 6-month candle. This shooting star candle is a trend reversal candle. Unfortunately, nobody's going to pay attention to the 6-month candle because a lot of people are just paying attention to the day-to-day, which is is not the way to go in crypto. If you look at these bigger moves, this was a trend reversal candle to the upside. This was a trend reversal candle to the upside. This candle that we just printed is a trend reversal to the downside. And we pointed out the 14K is technically the most significant level in Bitcoin. And that's just the facts in this chart. That's just the facts, not my opinion, just the facts. It also coincides with the 200-week moving average that we just identified. So would it be out of the ordinary for us to come down here? No, it would actually be par for the course. It's what the charts are saying is supposed to happen. Just the facts in these charts. And again, my opinion, well, I shouldn't say my opinion. The facts in the charts is that this 30K level structurally is still being held and respected. And if we continue to respect and hold 30K, we could print a new all-time high this year. That's also the facts in the charts. So it all comes down to this 30K. How are we going to play with that? If we break it, as we've said repeatedly, it'll add 6 months to the bear market. Now, let's look at these blue dots, right? What we know from these blue dots is these are the best times to buy. In fact, if these get darker in color, it's even a better opportunity to buy. So this could be a hidden gem. Bitcoin and crypto, it's a roller coaster, but I want you to stay level-headed. When we're going up in price, which is relatively rare, stay level-headed. Don't get too emotional. When we're going down in price, just remain level-headed. When you look at this chart, you can dictate and say, hey, these lighter colors, they don't last very long. In fact, we're more often than not in these blue colors. And that will tell you, most of the time, Bitcoin is moving sideways or moving pretty slow. It's only a small percentage of the time that we're going parabolic. That'll let you know that these parabolic moments, when they happen, enjoy them, but not too much. Stay level-headed, enjoy them emotionally. Most of the time, Bitcoin is relatively quiet, like it's been for the past couple months, all right? So 30K, watch it like a hawk. Watch these dots to get darker in color. Watch this 200-week moving average over the next 3 to 8 months and see if we come down and touch it. If we do, it's probably time to sell your dog, your cat, and buy Bitcoin. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. That was a joke. You shouldn't sell your animals for Bitcoin unless you hate them. And by all means, do it. So here's what I'll say. We're going to make a ton of videos this week, dropping absolute bangers. Hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss these videos. Also, check out some of our videos down below in the description. These videos will help you tremendously with crypto. And we're going to be giving critical updates on the quicksand and on several other charts this week. But things are getting interesting. We need to pay attention to the market structure of 30K. That will tell us if we're going to add 6 months to the bear market or we're going to have a new all-time high this year. Several other factors coming into play. Things are not looking good for Bitcoin in the short term and starting in the big picture. But again, we are holding critical market structure and all that can turn with a critical market structure hold. We will keep you updated more this week. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Watch some of these videos down below right now. Click on these boxes right here and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.